show you my Lula Avocado. This one that fell on the ground right here. These are ready. Let's see if we look over here. I want to see more of them right there. Right up there, there should be like 10 or 12 right there, that branch. And I'll be ready to harvest those. And then once I'm done, I'll cut the tree down to about 10, 12 feet and keep it shorter. Just like this Sapodilla Níspero tree, I'll trim it down now. So I got a good harvest off of it. But now I gotta trim it down because it gets too tall, and then you can't even get the fruit. Some of it, you know, it just falls down, and then you can't eat it anyway. So it's better to just trim it. Anyway, got my cell phone ringing, so just want to show you this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.